Hi, at Twingate, we're looking to provide a lightweight approach to implementing zero trust as we move away from physical networks being the center of gravity to more of a model where user identity, device trust, and context are incorporated into securing remote access. One of the challenges as a security leader is trying to implement secure two-factor authentication across a diverse set of applications. If you have SSH server, legacy applications that don't natively support multi-factor, web applications, it's hard to create consistency in policy. With Twingate, however, you can now trigger two-factor authentication without any configuration change to the host or server itself. To illustrate how this works, I'm going to show you first the admin panel on the left here. You'll notice that there's an SSH server, twindemo.int, that's housed within a DevOps group that also has a two-factor resource policy. There's been no underlying configuration change, no agent that's been installed on the SSH server itself, but you're going to see two-factor being triggered. On the end user side, it's quite simple. This is the client application, the Twingate application, housed within the taskbar of a Mac in this case, but we also operate across all major operating systems and devices. And you'll notice that SSH server housed within a set of whitelisted resources that I have access to because I'm part of a certain set of groups within the admin panel. Now, even though I'm connected to Twingate, because there's a two-factor policy attached to this server, as I press enter, you'll notice a prompt show up forcing me to key in a two-factor code before the connection leaves my device. So I'll go ahead and do that. And only after I do that will I gain access into that SSH server. Now there's a couple interesting things that just happened. One is that we're distributing all the authentication and authorization to the endpoint because we believe that that is the new perimeter. And so before I put in that two-factor code, nothing happened to the terminal. The connection was held at the device itself. The other thing is that, again, because there hasn't been any configuration change to the host or server itself to trigger that two-factor, what we're showing is our transparent proxy in action. So regardless of the protocol, we can trigger this two-factor inline within the context of the user trying to access a sensitive resource. So there you have it. Simple, easy to access two-factor policies that can be administered through a very lightweight admin panel, and that's still user-friendly. If you'd like to try out Twingate for free today, we'd love to have you join our Zero Trust journey. You can see the product in action live by signing up at twingate.com/signup. Thanks so much for your time and hope to see some of you very soon.